Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use SQL injection in Kali Linux. So you'll open the terminal and you'll also want to open Firefox, but we can save that for later. And the script for SQL injection that's already on Kali Linux is sqlmap, and then this tac h will bring up the help menu. It's pretty well documented. Right here we'll be using the URL, that's the target URL, and then we'll also be using the DBS. I can't find it. Whatever, I'll just show you how. Oh, and I also have this. This is pretty much the syntax of what you will type in the terminal, and then whatever.com is just the URL of the website. So I'll keep that up. In order to find an SQL injectable website, you'll want to have a browser that can index websites, and you're going to type php !id equals 1. And I've literally tried all of these. The only one that I can seem to get to work is this one. And to check if it is vulnerable, you're gonna just put a apostrophe right at the end of the URL after the php !id equals 1. And if it comes up with this error, you have an error in your SQL syntax. That means it is injectable. So we'll just go back. We will copy this. We can close out of it now. Open the terminal. And then we'll type sql map-u. Paste that in. Tech DBS, and the DBS is stands for databases. So that's really all you need right here. I'll even just put this in, so if you guys want to use this website, you can just copy it exactly how I did it. Oh crap. Right there. Alright, and before I do this, I do want to mention that SQL injection is illegal to a certain point. This is just an educational video, and whatever you do with this information, I am not responsible in any way, shape, or form. This is your, you do this on your own choice, and I'm not going to be held responsible for what you do with this information. So after this whole command right here, you're going to press enter. It's going to start sqlmap, and it's going to start scanning the databases on Roman writers, whatever that is. So yours won't be this quick because I've already done this one. I've done this website already. So it found two databases right here, information schema and Romanian SVC. Okay, and let's try and find it. It's the web server operating system is Linux Ubuntu, and it's using Apache 2.4.7, and it's obviously using a MySQL database, which is why it is injectable. So in order to get into these tables right here, I'll bring up the help menu again so I can show you guys. You're going to use a tac T. Where's the T? There it is. So tac T. So we'll bring this up. And then you'll type the database name. Copy and paste to save time. Enter that in. and it logs it all in this directory right here. It's in their root directory, sqlmap folder, output folder, and then it creates its own directory under Romanian writers. And I can show you where that is. So we'll just copy and paste this, and then we'll open a new terminal. Right here, ls, there's the log right there. Open that up, you can read everything. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all you guys need to know. Give this video a thumbs up or subscribe if you liked videos. If you don't, dislike the video, I guess. I don't know. Don't subscribe. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm making these for pretty much myself and other people who like this sort of stuff. So, alright. See you in the next one.